Girl, they giving men birth control? What? What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole and welcome to my channel. Today we have a late box, boo, and I mean really late. This is the box for men by Fashionsta. They take my payment out really late in the month, so I get this box really late in the month. So yeah, if you guys want to see what November's box have in store, y'all don't be mad, but keep watching, okay? Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, loves? I am TonyaNicole, and I'm so happy you guys clicked my video to watch this bomb-ass unboxing. Hopefully, if you're not already subscribed, you will hit that button when you leave, boo. Put on your bells, even though YouTube's been playing with me and not sending my notifications out. But maybe, fingers crossed, they will. I don't know. But make sure you have yours on and go on and like this video. Today is the box for men by Fashionsta, and I am so excited to get into this box. I want to give a big shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. I really do. For my drink today, I'm still drinking out of my little tumbler. So this is the box for men by Fashionsta. This one is $29.99 per month. You're supposed to get 5 to 6 products that's geared more towards the men in your life. And it's supposed to have a retail value of $100 to $125 if I'm not mistaken. It is pretty decent boxes. So if you have men in your life, you need to check out my last month's unboxing. Check this one out and the next one. Let's get this box on and poppin', boo. Y'all drink and dance. Hey. So let's open her up. Okay, when we open it up, that is what she's looking like. Well, he is looking like on the inside. I'm gonna set him down right here. We do get a card each month, my loves, and it says you have better things to do. Let us choose products for you. And on this side, we get all the products that we received in the box. So first thing on top is from Jack's Lane, and this is the Rain or Shine Daily Moisturizing Sunscreen, and it has an SPF of 50 in it, guys. You know, we're always preaching to women about skincare and sunscreen, but men really should be wearing it daily. I know all of these macho, manly men don't want to put sunscreen on, but boo, you need to daily. Women, you too. Now I'm trying to decide if I'm going to give this to my son or my boyfriend, or if I'm just going to keep it for me, which I think I'm just going to keep it. But let's read up a little bit about this. It says, why don't most guys wear daily sunscreen? They might not know that they're exposed to UV rays, even on cloudy days. That makes skin look aged. Who wants aged skin? Y'all know I don't. And increase the risk of skin cancer. Something else I don't want. Most sunscreens are also greasy and leave a white film on the face. Oh, that's why we created a vitamin-packed daily moisturizing sunscreen that goes on smooth and dries clear, so you can feel safe and look good. And I'm keeping this for myself. I'm telling you right now. Absolutely. So yes, it says wear it rain or shine, UVC, UVB, UVA. All of that information is right there. Y'all can screenshot it and yeah, because we're not gonna read all that. So this right here, guys, is from Jackson Lane, and this retails for $32. Let me open it up so we can take a quick peek at the bottle. Ooh, it's a cute little bottle. That's what it's looking like right there. And we do get 60 milliliters of product or 2 fluid ounces. See if it has a seal. Oh, it doesn't, and it doesn't smell like anything either. So let me put a little bit. So that's how it comes out, and we're gonna rub it out. Ooh, it does feel nice. And that's it right there. So we'll see if it's gonna leave a film. I don't smell any, well, it smells like the swimming pool a little bit, but we'll see. So far, no white film, which I do like that. Okay, so check 1 for me. I'm keeping this. Next product we have is from, what is this? Let me get my little card. This is from Anthony, and this is a mint and white tea lip balm. Ooh, and it has SPF 25 in it. Alrighty, that is cute. That's what it's looking like, my loves. And y'all want to open it? Yeah, let's open it. Let me see. I'm probably going to keep this for myself too. This is what it looks like outside of that plastic, guys, and it's very manly. I think the packaging speaks to a male because, you know, gray and black usually are like male colors. We're going to squeeze a little bit out. It's very thick. That's what it looks like right there. And let's rub it in. Ooh, it does smell very minty. Ooh, and it feels nice. That's the little lip gloss right there. Put a little bit on. So this, guys, again, is from Anthony Skincare, and this is an advanced moisturizing matte lip balm for hydrated soft lips. It has SPF 25, it's cruelty-free and made in the US, and it retails for $9. Okay, so I do like that they are catering to the man's skin. Next up, we have Dosely for him. Okay, let me open this up. Girl, is this like birth control? Okay, so this is Dosely for him. The Essentials Only multivitamin for men 18 plus. Each pack contains 28 complete daily vitamins. It's plant-based, vegan, non-GMO, and hyperallergenic. No colorants, binders, or synthetic fillers. Girl, I thought this was like birth control. I'm like, so they're giving men birth control now? Okay, cool. It's supposed to give him all of the vitamins that he needs, 18 years old and older. Okay, cool. But guys, also make sure that you consult with your doctor before you start taking any type of supplements like this, whether it's multivitamins or not, just to be safe. And these, guys, retails for $20. But I do think a multivitamin is good. This packaging may throw him off because he may think it's birth control too, but we'll just tell him it's birth control. Oh, I can give this to my son and say, oh, this is birth control. Make sure you take them every day. Oh, well, then he might not wear condoms. Okay, no, we're not going to do that. All right, that was inappropriate? I don't think so. Okay, next up, guys, we have this Manscaped Refining the Gentleman Crop Preserver. Okay. This, okay. This is an anti-chafing ball deodorant with active pH control, made without sulfates, parabens, or dyes, and is gentle on the skin. What is a ball deodorant? Like the balls? Like, okay. Take a shower, then towel dry off until your goodies are dry. Apply a small amount of crop preserver onto your balls and surrounding areas. Okay, so you get 100 milliliters of product in here. So let me see what the card says. Let me just read quickly. First of all, I like that they call it a crop preserver. Like, that is like the best name ever. Okay, so it says powerful moisturizing anti-chafing ball deodorant, keeps you fresh and hydrated, long lasting to keep you dry and comfortable with all day protection. It's infused with natural hydrators and antioxidants. Okay, so I think I got it. So, you know, sometimes men, you know, walk a lot, and if they wear like boxers, I guess, or tighty whities, like it gets sweaty down there, and I guess it like stick to his leg. So you were going to put this ball preserver right on in between them legs, babe, get all up under there, all of the balls, you know. Well, I'm going to bleep that out. I don't know if I can say balls. Yeah, I think I can say balls. But you want to make sure he gets underneath the balls so that he won't be chafed down there and it won't stick and slide all day and he'll be dry. Okay. I like this. I wonder if this will work on women too. Well, we don't have balls, but you know, like, I don't know. When we wear like stockings and they get like a little hole in them between the legs. I don't know if you guys ever had that happen to you, but one time, this is a quick story, guys. One time I was wearing some stockings and I had like a little run like right in the inner thigh, and a little piece of meat was hanging out. And girl, when I was walking, oh my God, it was like the stockings was like charring and burning that little piece of meat that was hanging out. I was so chafed and raw when I got home. Oh my God. Whew, that was like, girl. So I might use this when I'm wearing stockings. Well, I don't wear stockings no more though. I don't think I need this. Smells good. It's just like a white cream, guys. I think I spent a little bit too much time on this product, which I do like the name though. This retails for, oh wow, only $10, guys. So you can definitely get this for your dad, your boyfriend, your husband, your son, your uncle, whomever, you know, like to let their stuff hang. They could put that on so that they won't stick and get chafe. Boom. Let me take a drink on that. Then we get this home face revitalizing hydrogel face mask. It's going to replenish, hydrate, and energize his face. I do love face masks. This is a bonus gift. I do like that. I love when they provide face masks for the men because, again, they don't think to take care of their skin. And whenever I'm giving like my son a pedicure or my boyfriend or even my dad a pedicure, I can let them put this on and just relax like they're in the spa. So I do like this. And this is a bonus gift, my loves. And our last product, oh wait, how many, we have two left? Let's see. So this is up next. Ooh, this is a Manscaped. Oh, this is called the Lawnmower. Girl, like these names are so creative. And since it is No Shave November, I guess you would need like a lawnmower in December to tame that bush. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, so this is the Manscaped the Lawnmower 2.0. It's a safe skin electric groin and body trimmer. It's powerful 6,000 RPM motor with quiet stroke technology. It's waterproof, so you can use it in the shower, and it has a rechargeable built-in battery. Okay, cool. Let me see if it works. Ooh, yeah. Y'all hear that? Ooh, it's nice. I think I'm keeping this for myself. And then this little bag here, I think this goes with it, guys. Let's see. Oh, yeah, look. So they give us some guards, a USB charger. Also, the box that goes with it, that's odd. They never send that. And then they give you some guards right here. And I think you just kind of like slide them. Wait. You just put them on like this. And it has like the milliliters. They have the millimeters on the side, but I don't know how you put this on. You would slide it on something like that, and they would turn it on, and they would shave. Depending on how much hair they have, the thickness, and like the hair texture, I guess, that would depend on what size guard you would need to trim that big old bush down. I mean, if you're using this one, boo, you have a wolf. Wow, that's like a lot of hair, right? This retails for $60, guys. Y'all know that I am like crazy, right? Yes. So y'all don't mind, do you? I know you wouldn't. That's why I love y'all. Okay, so that was our final product in November's The Box for Men. And oh, girl, okay. I kind of like this box. Let's do some recaps and final thoughts. We have this Rain or Shine sunscreen, the bonus gift, this face mask, the Ball deodorant crop preserver, this lip balm, these multivitamins, and the Manscaped shaver with the guards. So these 6 products right here, my loves. So final thoughts on this month's box was, okay, I'm very pleased with this box. I actually love it. For the men in my life, I can see all of these products being used and put to the test and everything. I think I like this box. I love that they give you a multivitamin. They give them skincare, a Manscaped lawnmower, a ball like chafer, anti-chafer. Like this box is perfect for the manly men in your life. Even the ones that's like, you know, the nicely groomed men, they could definitely use this to like trim up their beards. It's not only for like, you know, the wolf down there, but you know, it's also like to trim up your beard, shave your underarms, like, you know. So I think honestly, this box was like really good, like really good. So the overall value, I do have that, loves. It's $131 for the overall value. And I must say, I am very pleased. I am going to get December's box and I'm going to decide if I'm going to keep this up or not. It just doesn't do too well on my channel. But if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw it to the No Shave November wolf. To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give the box for men for the month of November a whopping 4.5 to 5. Y'all, I like this box. I mean, I think this box is so carefully curated to keep your man looking good and his skin looking healthy. And I love that. I am here for it. Let me know down below in the comments what you thought of this box. Let me know your rating and if you would get this for your dad, your son, your hubby, your boyfriend, your mate, whomever. Just let me know if you would pick it up. I really like it, guys. So make sure that you let a friend watch this video, a male friend, so that they can get some laughs with you while you two are watching it. Because I know I say some real crazy stuff, y'all. I'm working on that. Not really, but I like to say that to make me feel better. Yeah. With all of this crazy COVID, I need some place to just be me and laugh, because once I'm at work, the stress is unreal. So that's all that I have for today's video. Again, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will have the boxes linked down below. And that's all I got for y'all. Okay. I'm going to go shave now because it's no shave November and now we in December. So I got to go tame this boo. Yeah. All right, y'all. Bye.